Hi everyone, it's Evangeline here at eTrailer. Today we're taking a look at the Thule M6 by 35mm bolt. This is to be used as a replacement part for your Thule Hullavator and sometimes other Thule accessories. Now in our case here, this is to be used with the T-track bracket on your mounting assembly if you have AeroBlade or ProBar crossbars from Thule. So I'll demonstrate how that works. So I've heard of a bunch of different questions about the Thule Hullavator Pro, which is what I have here, and sometimes their mounting assembly is either lost or damaged and they need replacement parts. So they start building out mounting assemblies for themselves. What you will need for the entire system is going to be this bar assembly. You also need your T-track bar adapter, and then you need a bolt as well as a flat washer and a nut on top, and finally the plastic cover. And then you've set up your bar assembly. Now you need to attach it to your roof. That's where this bolt comes in handy. That bolt goes in from the top and it goes through the bottom, and then this fits to a square nut that slides into your T-track. Now there are two different bolts included with your Hullavator kit. You're going to have the 35mm bolt, which is what I have here, or you're going to have the 37mm bolt, which is actually what's appropriate for this crossbar. So double check your crossbar real quick. I have Thule Wing Bar Evo crossbars, and you'll definitely be able to tell that by the shape of the bar as well as its end cap. An AeroBlade will be the more minimal design. You can see it here at eTrailer. And since the AeroBlade is a tad a bit more shallow, it needs that smaller bolt. Now, the concept is whether you have an AeroBlade or a ProBar or a Wing Bar Evo bar, you're going to put that square nut through the channel, and then you're going to line that square nut with that bolt. Once you do actually install, make sure to orient your assembly in the proper direction depending on where you have it on your crossbars. And that's pretty much it. While that bolt is simply just a bolt, it does have a very important purpose, which is to secure your entire Thule Hullavator kayak carrier to the channels of your crossbar. So if that was the part that you need, it's nice to know this is a direct replacement for you. If you find that you need the larger 37mm bolt, that is also available here at eTrailer, as well as pretty much any other part of your Thule Hullavator Pro. If you have any questions, or let's say you can't quite figure out the components and parts that you need for your entire system, feel free to give us a call or ask us a question, and one of our experts will put together the full list of parts for you, so that way you can get your kayaks back onto the road. But today what we saw was a look at the replacement M6 by 35mm bolt for your Thule Hullavator kayak carrier. My name is Evangeline here at eTrailer.